Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 E350 4MATIC sedan. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one has 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, AMG line exterior with a AMG look on the outside, exterior lighting package with an LED intelligent light system, adaptive high beam assist, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain gray ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, E350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, 12.3-inch media display, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E-Class has 6,280 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.